Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by making a classic waffle batter. Mix 1 cup flour, 1 cup milk, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tsp baking powder, and 1/4 tsp salt until smooth. Give the batter a quick rest for 5 minutes while you prepare the hot dogs. Trim the ends and pat 4 hot dogs dry so batter adheres evenly. Preheat your waffle iron to medium-high and lightly oil the grids with 1 tsp oil, or non-stick spray to prevent sticking and help release the finished waffle hot dog. Skewer each hot dog on a 6-inch wooden stick and dip fully into the batter to coat evenly from tip to tip. Place the batter-coated hot dog on the center of the preheated waffle iron and close gently, keeping the stick angled slightly outward to avoid burning. Cook each waffle hot dog for 3 to 4 minutes until the exterior is golden brown and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees F. Timing varies by iron, so check one after 3 minutes and adjust for crispness and color. When done, remove waffle hot dogs carefully and let them rest 1 minute on a wire rack so the batter firms and avoids sogginess. Serve 4 waffle hot dogs immediately with ketchup and mustard, and offer optional toppings like chopped pickles, shredded cheese, or 1 tablespoon mayonnaise per serving. To store, cool completely, wrap individually, and refrigerate up to 3 days. Reheat in a 375 degrees F oven for 6 to 8 minutes, or in an air fryer at 350 degrees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.